Hey y'all, last night on my live stream, my wife brought me what they're calling Chaffle, and it was like an ice cream sandwich, and it was really good. It was chocolate with almond flour, like a waffle, and she put ice cream in there, which was a low carb ice cream, made the sandwich, brought it in there, and had to eat it. You know, and there were people like really got hungry and wanted some of it, and there was somebody that really wanted the recipe on how to do it and everything like that because she just started low carb. So I said, well, I'll expedite this video over others that I need to get up, and this is for her. Kim, here's the video showing how to do the chaffles the way Jean's doing them. And it was really good, and I hope you do it and enjoy it. Everybody else, thank you for watching. Please like, share to your social media, subscribe. Appreciate you very much.
Okay, these are going to be chocolate chaffles. They're a little bit better than the regular chaffles. I didn't like those, but these are good. And last night when I made them and I put a little bit of ice cream in between and made them like an ice cream sandwich. Okay, let's see. We have 1 tablespoon of almond flour, a ½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa. I think that's about what's in there. If not, there's a little more. One teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of very, very soft cream cheese. I let it out all night so it would be real soft. 2 tablespoons of powdered Splenda. It looks like what's in here. I do not buy the powdered or Splenda, whatever. I just put my Splenda in a coffee mill and use that. So there's 1. 2 tablespoons of that, and 1 egg. A lot of times these chaffles say to just use a fork or a whisk and whisk them up, but I was finding with the chaffles, I didn't like the eggy taste. Let me get my mixer. And it was almost like just a regular fried egg with some cheese, and all you gotta do is put salsa on it and you got that. So when I found this, it was much better. Haven't tried the Wonder Bread. That has mayonnaise in it. I will try it at some point, but I found that maybe if I use the mixer, it's making it a little more, the texture a little bit better. Okay, we got them in there. Now I'm gonna mix this. It's gonna be loud. Basically, it's going to look like a cake batter. And I have a couple little chocolate chunks here. 72% cacao. Can't have enough chocolate. Let's just throw in a couple of those. Just fold them in a little bit. I like coconut. I bet coconut would be good in this too. Nobody else does. I have a too big of a cup. a 1/3 cup. And this is a regular old waffle iron, not one of the Dash little tiny ones. So this is going to make a little bit better. But I went to Goodwill and found this for $2.99. And when I went online to see, oh, how much are they? On Etsy, whatever it's called, you can buy this for $65. So I think $2.99 is a pretty good deal. So I'm just going to put this in the middle. And I did put some Pam on this because I don't want to risk having it stick. So I'll just spread that out just a little bit. Close. 3 minutes. I have it not on medium, not on dark, but in between the two of them. There's lots of stuff that you can do with the chaffles, and I'm going to experiment with them. I have one that's a cinnamon roll, one that looks good. I'm going to try the Wonder Bread one. Add all kinds of different stuff to it. And like I said, we made it as an ice cream sandwich last night. This morning there was one left, and I forgot to put it in anything, so it's a little bit hard, but it wasn't bad. And what I did is for breakfast, I put peanut butter and jelly on it and made a sandwich out of it, and it was pretty good. So you can do all kinds of stuff with it. I like the flavored ones because they just turned out better so far, but I'll make some other ones, and through trial and error, maybe we can work on it together. Okay, timer just went off. Let's see what we got here.
It wasn't recording, and now it is.
Okay. Now this one is a little small because, like I said, I only used 1/3 of a cup. I probably could have put all of that in there and gotten just one huge one, but I'm going to do 2 smalls. And that looks pretty good. Put the other one in. Okay, see you in 2 minutes. Okay, beeper went off. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, that looks so good. And you can tell where the chocolate that is. What's my fork? I don't know. I must have put it in the sink. There we go. Unplug. And I'm going to clean it up a little bit. And you clean these basically like what I've done to George Foreman. Quick, easy. Clean towels. You just wet some paper towels. Because there's a little bit of debris inside there. Not a whole lot, but you don't want it on next time. And you just get the wet paper towel. Just put it over the whole thing and close it. It's unplugged, so it's not hot. It's not going to cook or anything like that. And in just a few minutes, I'll come and I'll wipe it all down. These are quick. They're easy. They're a nice chocolate snack. They're something, like I said, I had forgot to cover them up last night, and being a little bit crunchy, they were more like a cookie. So that's good. You can put icing on them, peanut butter on them, ice cream on them. Cool Whip would probably be good on them. Any kind of way that you can make a sandwich. But now, like I said, this is a waffle maker, so it's already proportioned, and it makes them nice. So you don't have to have a whole one at one time. But they're pretty good, and like I said, I'm gonna experiment with them. I would like to make some without the chocolate, maybe put some blueberries in it or strawberries or something like that. Don't know how that'll go since there is peanut butter in them. So I might be able to find some that's just plain old sweet. But I think the key to making them a little more fluffy and durable like this is the mixer. I'm not sure. I'll have to try with that too. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye.